Hello everyone, welcome to Success Musings. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button below and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of all of our videos. So in these days in the job market, every candidate will have a lot of confirmations and you will be called for one-on-one discussion with your HR or recruiter. Be honest with them and tell whatever you have in your mind, get your doubts clear. Instead, what people are doing is that they are just saying okay just to get the offer letter to market themselves outside so that they can get multiple other opportunities. And back home, we already have other offer letters, and whereas we are deciding whether to join or not in those companies. So if you are worried, what you need to do is that whatever you want, you have to tell the recruiter or HR, whomsoever you're going to interact with. So just pick up your phone and tell them what you need and what are you looking for. And the HR or the recruiter will be happy to assist you all the time and they will get your doubts cleared. And so that they can also set up a discussion with the project team and they can send you the updated offer letter also. You can join in your next job peacefully. So ensure you are talking and working very closely with the recruiter. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and also share it with your friends. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.